fractions when the denominator is larger than the numerator. Improper fraction. Numerator is greater than the denominator. Mixed number, a whole number and a fraction. 3 is the steps on how to convert an improper fraction into a mixed number. Number 1, divide the numerator by the denominator. Number 2, write down the whole number answer. Number 3, write down any remainder on top of the denominator. Denominator stays the same. An example is 11 over 4. 11 divided by 4 equals 2 with a remainder of 3. So your answer will be 2 3/4. Now it's your turn. So 60 divided by 4 equals 15. 15 divided by 3 equals 5. And 80 divided by 7 equals 11 3/7. Converting mixed numbers into improper fractions. Number 1, multiply the whole number part by the fraction's denominator. Number 2, add the numerator. Number 3, then write the result on top of the denominator. For example, 2 1/5. 2 times 5 equals 10, and 10 plus 1 equals 11. So that'll be 11 over 5. Now you try. 5 times 10 equals 50, plus 5 equals 55. So your answer should have been 55 over 10. 3 times 8 equals 24, plus 4 equals 28. So it'll be 28 over 8. 2 times 4 equals 8, plus 3 equals 11. So 11 over 4. The drama club needs to make 30 costumes for the school play. Each costume uses 3 3/4 yards of material. If a bolt of material contains 20 yards, and if the fabric store sells material only in full bolts, how many bolts should the drama club buy? So we're going to underline the important information. So 30 costumes, 3 3/4, 20 yards, only in full bolts, and how many bolts should the drama club buy?
First, you start out with 3 3/4, which is the material you need. Then you need to make that into an improper fraction by multiplying the whole number of 3 by 4, which equals 12. Then you add 3 to the 12 to make it 15 over 4, which you would then multiply 15 over 4 by 30 over 1, which equals 450 over 4. You would then make 450 over 4 into an improper, or to a whole number, which is 112 and 2/4, which also equals 112.5. You then divide 112.5 by 20, which would get you 5.625. So you'd have to round up to the nearest whole number, because the drama club needs a certain amount, and the store only sells in full bolts. So you'd need 6 bolts total. You did spectacular. Thanks for watching, Miss Estes, Miss Caton, Austin Sinclair, and Celine Bravo.